Hi, first grade. Today you're going to be making your weaving into a blanket. So what we're going to do is at the front of your tape, as the front of the cart in the classroom, there's a bunch of different skin-colored papers. You're going to go up to the front cart and decide which one's kind of the closest to your skin color. And then you're going to choose that. So I'm thinking mine is in between this one or this one, so either one of these would work. And I'm going to go back to my seat where I have an oval template. This oval template fits on, you want your paper vertical, which means up and down, so that it can fit, because if you turn it this way, it won't fit. See how it hangs off? And you're going to trace it. In between you and your partner next to you is one template, so you need to share it. Put it real close to the top so that you have room. We're going to be making hands out of the same paper. We're going to make it look like somebody's tucked into bed. So there is the head. And then I want you to leave the flat part of the bottom of the paper and just make two arches. 1, 2. Then what we're going to do is you're going to draw your face on the oval. Now here's a lesson in where your eyes are located. Your eyes are actually right here in the middle. Up here at the top is forehead and hair. So I want you to make two sleeping eyes in the middle of the paper. Your eyes are going to look like really wide U's, and you can even do eyelashes. Makes you look like you're asleep. Then what I want you to do is draw a nose. A nose is another really wide U, right in the middle of the two eyes. You're going to do an oval on its side. I'm going to go down further so you can really see it. So a really wide U, two ovals on its side, and then go under the ovals and kind of draw it up. That's how you draw a nose. Then you can draw a mouth. So a mouth is a really wide U, kind of come out almost to the middle of the eyes, and then make a bottom lip, which is a really wide U, and then or a top lip, which is a bump and a bump. Okay? That looks like a sleeping face. Now it looks like there's a lot of space at the top, but that's where my forehead and my hair are going to go. So the next step that you're going to do is you're going to use a scissors and some glue. Okay? You have at your seat a big piece of white paper, and it's free draw paper, but we're going to use it as a pillow. So the first thing you're going to do is at the bottom of the free draw paper, notice I put it sideways again. I want you to put a small amount of glue. So you're going to squeeze the glue out. Remember, touching the glue to the paper so that you get a thin line, and then you're going to stick that on or underneath your blanket and smooth. So it's just showing right at the top of your blanket. You can even, if you didn't put it here, you can put some more glue here so it really stays looking forward or standing up. Whenever I glue, I touch the tip to the paper. Then I'm going to take my face and I'm going to cut it out. Now if it happens to be cleanup time, what I want you to do is make sure your name is on the back of your face paper and we can put it in the folder. But today we are just preparing the head and the hands and the pillow. Scraps can go in the garbage. I'm going to lay my head here with the chin over the top of the blanket so it looks like I'm all tucked in. And then I'm going to hold the paper down, touch the tip to the paper, squeeze and pull. I do one small oval of glue all the way around. It's not oozing all over the place. Like this. And I smooth it on. And then the hands look like little half circles. And they're going to be holding on to the blanket. So the flat part of the hands matches the flat part of the blanket. Remember, hold, squeeze, touch the paper, and then match it up so it looks like the person's holding on to the tops of the blanket. We are going to be adding hair and color to the face with some colored pencils next time. So I want you to stop at this point and put it on the drying rack. Next time we'll be doing your hairstyle and adding color to the face. All right. Thank you so much for listening.